Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Vivo TWS 2. Before we're starting, I wanna say that I customized gestures a little bit. I just add for the left one previous song, because it was next song, for the left one and right one by default. And I change press and hold, but it's not so much. I mean, you can leave it what they have by default. So let's starting. Now, if you press one time on your left one or right one earbud, you will play and pause the song. So let's check it. I'm just press one time and I pause the song. I press again and I play a song. You have touch areas right here, so know it. Now, if I press two times on my right earbud, I will play next track. 1, 2. And I swap to the next track. If I press two times on my left earbud, I will play previous track. So 1, 2, and here we go. It works. Now let's pause it. If I press and hold on my left earbud, I will enable and disable noise cancelling mode. So just one time. Okay, it doesn't work. I don't know why. It should working. So let's check the right one. Yeah, I swap to transparency mode, and if I again press and hold, I swap to non mode. And with the left one, let's check again. I'm just press and hold, and I swap to noise cancelling. And again, I turn off noise cancelling. And the last one, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your left or right earbud. So let's check it. I'm just answering, and if I press again, I just end the call. And the last one, if someone called to you, you can reject a call by pressing two times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2. And I just reject a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!